me with that. It's the rain outside, and I've got to run home from here. It's getting worse. Definitely getting worse. Look at that. Free shower on the way home. Well, gym session's done. You can hear the thunder. You can see the rain. Luckily, I'm a seasoned runner, so I've got a carrier bag in my little rucksack thing to put my phone and stuff in. And I've only got 2.5 miles to go, so wish me luck. Maybe I'll wait a minute or two. Maybe I'll wait a lot longer than a minute or two. Worst thing is I'm in t-shirt and short shorts. I don't know what all fuss were about. I waited a few more minutes. The hailstone abated. The gods of thunder are still rumbling. But I've only got a mile to go. And I'm not like a drowned rat yet. See if we get to the doorstep without it happening. Look at that. I got home relatively dry. Be good and the universe will treat you well. Thank you very much.